Hi everyone, I have a haul from BeeBeeCraft. They reached out to me and asked if I would go ahead and continue to do my collaboration with them, and of course I said yes. I love their products. You get free shipping when you spend $25 or more, and I do have a coupon code with them. It is Nicole10 that will go ahead and let you get 10% off of your purchase. So let's get started. I got this set right here, which I love that they send it in its own case, so it's already all packaged nice and neat for you, so you don't have to worry about where you're going to store your items. And look, each size is in its own little baggie right here. So we have rhinestone spacers. Oh, look, these are the ones that I wanted so badly. I go through these tiny ones so much, and I've never had a rose gold before, so I thought this was a really nice set to go ahead and put into my stash, since it gives me all the colors. And like I said, it's in a color I don't own. I have silver, I have gold, and I have AB rhinestones in silver. I might have it in gold, I don't know. And then these are just the rhinestones that are regular in rose gold. The other thing I wanted to mention is when they send their packaging, they send it in a bubble mailer. So like, here's the bubble mailer, and then they send it in a bubble sleeve. So it's like double bubble wrapped. And then if you have anything that is glass or like fragile, they will bubble wrap that individually. So I love that. I've never ever had anything come damaged or broken or anything. So I love that they go ahead and package, you know, basically correctly, because it's coming from overseas. It does take about 2 weeks to get your items in, so they package it perfect. So in this box, I got this kit right here. I just thought this screamed spring to me, and I love these little pearl yellows. And then rhinestone spacers are my absolute, rhinestone beads are my absolute favorite beads that you can go ahead and get. So this was right up my alley, totally my vibe. And it does come with some findings in here for you to use. So you have some silver spacers, there's some wire in here, there's some lobster clasp, some chains. So you could go ahead and start creating some bracelets if you like. I personally am going to be doing probably Pokie tools, chunky charms, you know, my usual, because those are just like my favorite go-to all the time. So I got these head pins specifically because it said that they are stainless steel. Oh my gosh, there's tape on here. I was trying to open it. I didn't see that. So I got these specifically because they are, the description, they are stainless steel. And when you are doing like a glue stopper, so like this pin right here has to be stainless steel, because if not, it will rust inside. So you want to make sure that you have the proper one. So I am going to go ahead and test these out and make sure that they are not going to rust in my glue bottle. So I will let you guys know how that works out. And then if it does work out, we will definitely be making some glue bottle stoppers with these. So I really hope that it won't rust, because that would be amazing. And you get a whole variety in here. You have eye pins, which are the ones with the loop. And then you have head pins, which are these flat ones right here. So that will be really amazing. Fingers crossed I got the right ones. So that'll be really nice to work with. I can't remember if I said with this one that I wanted to do a bee. I know that said this gave me like spring vibes, but I also wanted to do a bee themed. And again, love that I do not have to think about storage at all. And here we go. Look at how pretty these are. So I need to get something that tells me how big my beads are so I can share with you guys. I think these are either 10s or 12 mm size. So I thought this would be perfect. And look, it kind of matches this pearl, but it's a little bit different color. So that's really nice. Again, these are my favorite beads right here, these rhinestone ones. They're so pretty. So hello, bee themed. I cannot wait to go ahead and get started with playing with all of these. So here are the charms that I picked, so I could go ahead and make those Pokie tools, make chunky charms, do the glue bottle stopper. And I love this because I got a variety. It wasn't just bees, it also has flowers. So you have this larger bee right here. This bee's a little bit smaller, but he has a pearl. There is the little flower. Here's like a little side angle bee. Let's see, I showed that one. Here's a larger flower. Look at this one. This one's really cool. It's like a matte yellow all the way around, but has this gorgeous gold center. So I thought those were really nice to go ahead and use. And then it does come with resin ones. I'm sorry, I'm really tired. I know I always fumble over my words, but I might be fumbling more right now. So here we go. We have some resin little charms, and these already have the little screw in there, so you could just go ahead and attach it. You have this one that it looks like there is a hole drilled right there, so you could go ahead and just add a large jump ring in there. So super cute. Like I said, definitely tons of ideas to go ahead and go with the whole bee theme for this spring. Does anybody remember, like, a couple years ago, everybody was making the little bottle caps and they were just the cutest little like embellishments ever? So I got these, and like I said, anything that's glass, they always like extra bubble wrap it. I love that. So here are your little pieces. These sound like they're little glass pieces. I'm not going to take them out because I don't want to get my fingerprints all over them, but this will fit. So I can show you like this, like right on top right there. So that's super cute. Now, I think, I might be wrong, I swore there was a yellow in the photo, and I don't have a yellow because I wanted to go with the bumblebee theme. Or I might have got it because it matches this like spring mix down here. Honestly, I cannot remember right now, so I should have looked before I started recording, but I definitely don't have or seen any clear ones before. So I'm pleasantly surprised with the clear one. And then we have a little mint one. We have a light blue, black, definitely saving that for Halloween. And we have pink. Oh, and there's purple in here. You know what? Honestly, this will go great with Maggie Holmes. Like, these are all her colors right there. So I might pull out, well, actually my stash is still out. So I might do some little Maggie Holmes with that. I think that would be a really good idea and will match well. So we got that one. Our last little item here, I just thought were super cute. So these are little charms that you can definitely use for a bracelet, but I am going to be putting these on my beadable pins, maybe even possibly my Pokie tools. So these are really nice because you can just go ahead and stick your beadable pin through there, and then now you have this loop hanging off the edge. So you can go ahead and add a little like dangle to it, and it kind of looks like a little spiral. Like it has a little of texture and design on the barrel, which is really nice. And this kit came in gold and silver, so I have both depending on what kind of metals I'm using for that project. So this is our little haul for today. I will definitely leave a link down below to their website. I'll also link these products. Remember, you do get free shipping when you spend $25 or more. And you do get that coupon code that you can stack with that, which is Nicole10. I really appreciate you guys shopping and using my coupon codes. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.